Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free streaming service trials and premium subscriptions included with your internet service plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate these provider perks. Step 1. Log in to your internet service provider's online account portal using your customer credentials to view available perks and partnership offers. Step 2. Navigate to the Perks, Rewards, Extras, or Entertainment section of your account dashboard, where promotional partnerships with streaming services are typically featured. Step 3. Review available offers from your provider, which might include free or discounted trials for services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, HBO Max, Apple TV+, or premium music streaming. Step 4. Check eligibility requirements for each offer, as some perks are only available to customers on specific internet plans or those who have been subscribers for a minimum period. Step 5. Click Activate or Claim Offer next to the trial you want to access. You'll typically be redirected to the streaming service's website with a pre-applied promotional code. Step 6. Create a new account with the streaming service or log in if you already have one. Some offers require you to use a new email address not previously associated with that streaming platform. Step 7. Follow the activation instructions, which may involve entering a promotional code, verifying your internet service account, or linking your provider account to the streaming service. Step 8. Start streaming immediately and note when your promotional trial period ends. Some provider perks continue at a discounted rate rather than ending completely, while others revert to standard pricing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.